Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Man Fashion. I am fine and I hope my all viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting for latest videos so because the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet table and ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, latest designing, handmade knitting variety, different pattern, different styles. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, sprinkle ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, handmade knitting variety. Beautiful pattern. Hopefully you like this and please good me in comment section. If you want more collection about crochet, so please visit my channel like crochet accessories, crochet dresses, crochet table and blanket ideas, bunny pattern, different type of flowers, handbag, girls fashion, very nice. Okay viewers, thanks for watching my video. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers, bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz.